Abraham is the father of specific nations, and through him and his seeds, all the families of the earth shall be blessed. It is important that it is recognized that all Abraham's seeds have a role to play in the fulfillment of prophecy, no matter how large or small a role it may seem through mortal eyes. There are seen and unseen forces currently working to bring about harmony between the true Ishmaelites, Israelites, Abraham's other children, and the rest of mankind. From a spiritual perspective, forces in the universe do not necessarily need to be equal to work in harmony. The sun and the moon is a perfect example. Both the sun and the moon were created to give light to the earth. Neither have equal weight or force energy projection, yet they work in perfect harmony to fulfill their course of duty. According to scriptures, Abraham's covenant consists of an everlasting covenant of land, an everlasting covenant of flesh, and within that covenant of flesh further exists a covenant wherein all nations shall be blessed in him. All nations being blessed in Abraham is a very deep and spiritual aspect to the covenant of flesh, in the fulfillment of prophetic truth. And what is really written in the scriptures must be understood not through mortal eyes, but through the eye of the heart. Dismantling the illusion begins with having a firm understanding of the scriptures regarding Abraham and the beauty of his covenant. Oneness, Episode 3, Abraham's Seeds and His Covenant. Watch on sgpvod.com today.